Hey everybody! So let's talk about how to set up Fiverr seller account. So to set up a Fiverr seller account, you must create a basic user account on Fiverr first. Just go to the Fiverr homepage or directly to the Start Selling onboarding page and then tap Join or Become a Seller in the top right corner. Now choose a sign up method such as your email address or continue instantly using your Google, Apple or Facebook credential. Now choose a username and password. Remember that a username is permanent and cannot be changed later. Pick a professional name or something related to your industry niche. Now retrieve the 6-digit activation code sent to your email inbox and enter it on the screen to verify your account. Now to activate your Freelancer profile, you need to transit it into a seller portal. Tap your profile picture, select Become a Seller, and then provide your personal info. For example, display name, your profile picture, description, and the languages. Now give them a professional info about you. For example, your occupation, your skills, your education and certification, and your personal websites. Now, for your account security, add your mobile phone number. You will receive a code via SMS or a phone call to finalize your structural profile verification. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.